Are you tired of having short hair and want to grow it out fast? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks on how to get longer hair quickly. First, it's important to take care of your hair by brushing it regularly to prevent tangles and breakage. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle your hair while it's wet, and always be gentle when brushing. Next, make sure to eat a healthy diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help promote hair growth. You can also try taking hair growth supplements like biotin, which is known to promote healthy hair, skin, and nails. It's important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. To strengthen your hair, use a hair mask or treatment at least once a week. Look for ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, and keratin, which can help to nourish and strengthen your hair. It's important to get regular trims to remove split ends, which can cause breakage and slow down hair growth. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to having longer, healthier hair in no time. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content in the future. Thanks again.